5 digits minus 1 digit, you got 4. This is 2, 3, 4. Place your dividend from this rod and 3 pointed rod. Start divide. 3 divided by 3, your answer is 1. You have to place your answer 2 rods left side from your pointed rod. Here 1, 3, 1 is 3. Remove that dividend, change your pointer finger. 9 divided by 3, your answer is 3. 2 rod left side, your answer 3 3s are 9. Change. 6 divided by 3, your answer is 2. 3 2s are 6. Change. 9 divided by 3, your answer is 3. 3 3s are 9. And last one, 3 divided by 3, your answer is 1, and remove that 3. Okay, and here is your answer, 1 3 2 3 1. You have to read till the marked rod. To learn in detail, please watch full episode. Link is in the description box. Tata.